Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not want to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure your orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. Here are some insights on our Father's Day Sunday Night Live. Oh, Destiny is also here with her dad. Some of the fathers turn out. Hittis, Marcus, and Siva is also here.
Are we a criminal? Are you a criminal?
No, man. Upstanding, decent citizen trying to make the country better.
So we are an upstanding, innocent criminal.
We need to dirt you again because you give me a problem.
Yeah, one in a real life.
Criminal minister.
Well,
see the corruption.
The corruption continues, you know.
Yeah, man. I will have fun.
You shot my brother. He shot him. He shot your brother.
Yeah, shut your brother.
Blood in me.
Yo, resurrect now.
I forget it.
That's what I feel.
I forget it. See if we can find your brother. I think him over there. If there's something over there.
But wait, people, you don't know say once it is there, butcher for there to right?
That is that.
Butcher there.
Build up a zig here, no? No, man, I'm a butcher here.
Mr. Francis, Bishop Francis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
How old is people?
Okay. One. You got better
One
with
wolf on the block.
Yeah, come up here, Ginger.
Yeah, man.
When it's time, no lie.
Definitely. Big up yourself, Bartender family.
That is it.
From your stable, you know you have to look out for Maureen.
Reach. I see reach. I see reach.
I love it, nice.
You too.
Guess who's up on the block? Guess who is on the block? One nigga, you know?
Yeah, big up on yourself, peoples.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
People my cheer for you, man.
Yeah, me a cheer for the too. Thank you. Big up on yourself, man.
Alright?
Can't even see the glasses, you know. Yeah, man. Me in a place.
Nah, laugh, you know. You are going to give me on the block, alright?
Yeah, tell them to follow Pink Bang on IG, TikTok. Pink Bang.
Pink bang.
Raw chat. You follow Pink
One
Bang.
pink bang, you know.
Active.
Okay, silver bag.
Ready for them.
Yeah, man. Minister, soon link up for the talk, you know. Soon link up. Yeah, man.
Right now, it's a big deal moment for the professor. He has been awarded this plaque from YouTube for over 5 million views, and it's for an independence dance video. This is Jamaica by Buju Banton, produced by Kemar McGregor.
On the live, I got it when? Thursday night.
Thursday or Friday?
Thursday, because we just shoot Friday.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday. And I don't even take off the plastic off it. I decide to say, I just save it for tonight to show it on live. Let me move a little closer so the people can get a look on it. And even though I say Buju Banton name big up there, so it says here, so presented to Orville Hall, so the name dip on it. See? To commemorate more than 5 million views.
That is it.
This and a normal song. I'm gonna pop my color enough, so I'm gonna pop my color right now.
That is it.
Earn, man. Deserve.
Listen, people, over 5 million views. Mr. Hall, continue going with yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's half a pass.
It's half a pass. Okay. Yeah. And to my loyal viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and thanks for the continued support. support and continue to support Xpressionzja YouTube channel and everything way. Xpressionzja. Look for fire sign. Big up on yourself, people. Thank you so much. Yeah.
That whole 5 million, classic.
Yeah.
So I wrote this for Mr. Hall for Father's Day.
It's people. Mr. Hall, you have done tremendous work and still doing it. So you have turned heads, hearts, and spirits. You have uplifted a lot of young youths and always encouraged them to go for what they want. I have witnessed firsthand how you work, and there has been so many laughters and good memories. You are an inspiration to many. Been watching you from in a prep school.
Hey!
I was, with the hope say the part there, they must say.
Should be age too.
Yeah. From in prep school growing up, and if anyone knows Dancing Dynamite, when it was Dancing Dynamite, then they will know what I mean. Congratulations again, and continue to do great work.
Try no bad ball. Cause if you ball, me have a start ball too.
This is coming from my chicken parts, mixed parts. Chantal, thank you so much. This is what she gave me today. This is also a Father's Day wish. So, Chantal, big up yourself.
Up top, up top.
One
And big up
shot.
all of my bartender family were there in the evening here. Big up my first lady,
That is it.
always there
That
on the
is it.
side.
Good, good.
And again, big up
Xpressionz.
everybody. Thank you guys so much.
The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.